everybody, this video here is intended to be for the newcomers into the fan community wanting to know how to check the oil and add oil to a Hunter original ceiling fan. One other thing that I would note before starting is put a old towel or something down directly underneath the fan, because if you get the oil going too fast it'll overflow and it'll drip on the floor or the bed or whatever's below the fan. So I'd rather it drip on an old rag than on the bedspread. Next is the oil itself. This is the actual Hunter fan oil, and it comes with a 1 ounce tube oil and a pipe cleaner dipstick. We'll get to that in a little bit. Also, this is acceptable to use. This is a 4 ounce bottle, so it will do 4 original fans. So that's a better deal. But if you got one and you want to make sure the warranty doesn't get voided, I'd go ahead and use that. And I'll leave a link in the description of where to get this. Okay, so the oil's in. Got it in from Amazon. So I'm going to test the level on this fan. This is where you add the oil. And this little notch right there, this is where I like to place the dipstick to check the oil level. And on the package of oil it'll tell you how to bend the dipstick. It's something like this. It's about a 1/2 inch bend. And kind of go in sideways and then down and then out. And as you can see, this one is maybe just a tiny bit low. In this fan, I'm not too concerned about the warranty. I'll just go ahead and use Zoom Spout, and I will add just a drop or two at a time, very slowly. If you go too fast it will overflow and get all over the flywheel and make a huge mess, and when you turn it on it will sling oil everywhere. So go real slow with it, and then after a little while, say 20 drops, and then come back down, go in like that, and if the oil is all the way to the bend of the dipstick, it's full. Now I will demonstrate with the Hunter fan oil. It's the same process. Just unscrew the cap. When they're new, you'll have to take something sharp and cut that tip off where it'll flow. That just sticks in there, and then let the gravity do the work. Maybe give it a little squeeze, and then you can count the drips by the bubbles coming up. This is probably an easier way to do it, because you can really control how much oil is going in. And then when you're satisfied, you think you got plenty of oil in it, go check the dipstick again at the bottom, and then just keep repeating that until it's full. It may take a little while, but that's better than making a huge mess with oil going everywhere. Now, a brand new one that's just been, it's brand new out of the box, or it's just been cleaned and restored, it will take a full 1 ounce tube of oil. Just checking and maintaining the oil level, it just may take a few drops to get it back up to where it needs to be. But I like to check mine about once per year, and that seems to be sufficient. Most of the time they're fine. Sometimes they're just a tiny bit low, and I put a few drops in. So I hope this video is helpful, and the newcomers just starting to work on these ceiling fans will be able to check their oil and add oil as necessary. So thank you for watching.